basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother.
Hey guys, it's Kamila. It's Kamila. I'm Kamila, and now I'm Ria Cousins. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a back handspring. And first we're going to stretch for you don't have to pull your hamstring like my sister.
Hey!
Let's get started. First we're going to start with 16 jumping jacks. For 20 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
We're going on to the stretching.
Battle. Reach to the right. Reach to the left. Down to the middle. Legs. Point. Legs. Point. Legs. Legs together and pike stretch. Legs. Now go into your back bend. Straighten your legs.
Make sure you do the stretch for you won't pull a hamstring. Next we're going to do arm circles. It's very important. Get out to the back handspring. The skills you need for this is a standing back bend, back kick over, back limber, and a decent handstand. Okay, first you need strong arms. This is the prep of a back handspring. Do the same thing but add a back walkover to it. Same thing but land with both legs. Practice the prep but just jump back. Somebody to spot you and do it feels hand-free to get used to it.
Now the person spotting you is only going to spot with one hand.
If you feel comfortable, go ahead and try yourself. Our back handspring. If you're a beginner, make sure you're not trying this on the floor. This could really hurt you if you're a beginner trying it on the floor. So make sure you're trying it on the bed or a trampoline. I'm not a beginner, so that's why I'm doing it on the floor. I hope you guys get your back handspring soon and don't get hurt. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. Bye. Love you.
Thanks for watching my